Hello everyone, it's Gigi and welcome to my Saturday morning makes. This is my third episode and I'm happy to be here. I had such fun making these things and ready to show you. So let me show you what I used first for this first make I did. I used this CC Designs fence border. I also used these tags that I got from Allie. I used the large one. Such a pretty die. I used some seam binding from Scrap Cabin Shop on Etsy, and it's called Ambrosia. It is so pretty. I love her seam binding. I used the Hey Chick from Stampin' Up. I love this set. It cracks me up, guys. It is so cute. And I used a tag from this Stephanie, is it Stephanie Bernard's? Yeah. Stephanie Bernard Sizzix tags. I've had this forever. I used this really small one up here. And it comes with all this. Okay, so what I made with that was a cute little tag right here. It says you're a good egg up here, and then I colored up my little chick right there and the egg with some Copics, and it just made a fun tag. I just thought it was funny. I love the hair or the fur or the whatever you call it for the chick. So that's what I made with that. Thought it was fun. Okay, next I used some Distress Ink Vintage Photo. I used some of the seam binding from the Stamps of Life in this purple, I think it's called Grape. I used this MFT stamp set Easter Bunnies. I used the Sentiment Blessings Today and Always. I used some of my new paper that I got, the Vintage Spring Basics. And I used this stamp set here, Rabbit's Garden from Crafter's Companion. And this is what I came up with. So it says Blessings Today and Always. And I love that rabbit in that pot. And then I added a little bow, and then I left the inside blank. Just inked it up, added some paper. And I think I'm gonna send this one to my aunt I'm really close to for Easter. I think she might like it. And then my last make, I used one of these outfits that my husband picked out. I made something for him for his new retro refrigerator. And this comes from the Aralami Ha shop on Etsy. And this is the site in case you want to go look. And this is also from her. But I got the outfit. It takes a lot of cutting to make it fit, but I did. And again, I used some of that My Scrap Cabin Shop, and it's called Pistachio. Love it. I used some paints. I used the Brea Reese Raw Sienna. Then I used the orange and the green paint from the 99-cent store. I also used Elmer's glue to make it crackle. I used 2 stamp sets. I used the Sweet Sock Bunny from Impression Obsession. And I used the Amuse Art Stamps Little Bird. And lastly, I used some paper from Farmhouse Paper Company that I had in my stash from Tuesday morning from 2018. And the paper is so pretty, in case you want to see it. Okay, and I made a magnet, and this is what I came up with. And this is from my husband. It was on, I put it on his refrigerator, and I just love how it turned out. And I colored it up with Copics, crackled it, put a bow on it, and my husband loves it. So I thank you for watching my Saturday morning makes. I hope y'all join me again next weekend. I love you guys. Thank you, Jill. Bye.